1992 1992 the Oraku amofamo eye wo chebi the oforiata mo Dani oforiata mo the susu dis mo ye no wo chebi Kroma 1992 Emranti amaba mumpa disua ana munko babia me am Kroma Santiago 1996 there was a whole hijack Commander Graphics and Chamatin Asiafo and the Munsia. So the youth thinks that MPP get no quiet and when they started with political violence Mumusa sa wani chief so far azoka no ye de wonofo Mumusa ene be kire mu ni nyina na mo be ka ye kofo do make statement bi say ye kire wo mu bibi kakra bi watiwa so because I kire mu a na je say mo intimidate wo mo che ana duru ba bi no mo se ye be kire mu bibi kakra bi watiwa sa de akotie ba ya esi watiwa akotie ba atiwa e be sa si ko se no na NDC na sha se ana jo mama so be ye reset and you be this sound common about. You know, you be this sound common. You be this sound common about. You know, you also in common here. This a good body me kai o manji. Now before that video no na no ye be boy no nti. Wo mo catch here, you know. You be sabo. Your mama say, you can't share more. Video na nti mo catch internet. You can't share. Now ye Basintale Electoral post 10 and when we lost election and the MPP should learn from us how we mujimi mo lose election mo nkonkomo ho asante reje mo botu o mo nkomunipa fantia kwa mo shede kun mo secretary e shade wo ho and this nya MPP nya violent party eti the cost of MPP ni mo is far better than mo lose 2016 election ye mo ye and yet 2016 election mo lose na asante reje wo mo ko ho komunipa wo ko bo otu komunipa and Basintale so nim Nkansah yes are the rebel the party chairman free window on fire Basintale a young guy Judge me what the year come food and you come through a church and now Basintale 5k men now why Kobo Saminu MPP for or Mudi in Kwasasem during the last regime. Baby, I got it because of the fear somebody on BB. And when you deceive yourself and a political power and a MPP will stay in opposition. Movie 2016. No be somebody stay in opposition for about 20-something years. And you have a nice way of washing the opposition. Is it you are voice than to come together and prepare for Akotia. Yes, opposition come on Jimmy Pa. If we don't prepare for Akotia, ni Jimmy Pa. No. Maybe say I'm prepared for Akotia dia. And the general secretary, a free chairman, basic general secretary. Obi abeko. Some people I'm prepared for Akotia. Said the moye mo say ya. And you from general secretary chairman. Ever see the last person at the national headquarters? Obi abeko. Asiafo. When you're ready, because you want to say your mama video now. What you say? A good father himself, and you want to bet me area. Were you too old to steal? It was many animal man. It were you baby said your mama said, "Well, no one area man." I saw a cutting razor. Coffee more cutting razor, and you raise me. Mandani for me corner now. And I mean, Cousin Bian Chantro, Minakra. Jumping for the bio on more Muma, no Magraheb, the Bray or Honomo, Mumbra, some American, penning for no Mumbra. And I make Kensi so say, Miss Ropa, I mean, Pan and their bar. And I mean, Cousin Bian Chantro, Minakra. Jumping for the bio on more Muma, no Magraheb, the Bray or Honomo, Mumbra, some American, penning for no Mumbra. And I make so say mining, small scale mining. And was say from Takwa to Bogoso, Takwa Swayim to Bogoso. Mine say wo mutu say honina, and this is for you too. Now Mobakaya, me wa happy aye Angela family. Me catch them bibi. So your friend will be Okobin mines. Now one no NDC. And we co-sponsor a Nikunu, a yere, a man co-independent joy. Now dear me say. No, Kobensi will Kuduka, Nianomania, dear Nwaje site. eti wo mo twen se ye bebo pre ye bo pre wo mo di ntuo ni nkonti healthy environment, right to good water, good ni nyina no ofa African Charter for a year human and people's right e wom and ye abuse no ye nim se ye court ne bakora no a wo mumu ade ni nto mo nya hwe ne we be yensem na wo manchiri ma ba iti mensa sa ba mo sore ye ekon ye na ne ye de kai wo mo sa ne yesu ye ba generational right sa ne be ye no why go vi sa ne be ye no eti NDC for na etu galamsi
straight no apa
o na etu Daniel ne bo your mama video no say no nti ne na no mo kate ye no na waje eye da mines wo de ama hwan ya owie ye black voter de ba ndie ba yi Azuma in a company ni ade no Azuma resources de be wo mo kam Ibrahim still amaje fro so and na no a minister no atworo krata ba se Azuma ne Ibrahim company no engineers and planners and contractors no mo nim komo enya sa de ono aba yusu ne power de aye de ope na me si we ayesa wo de ayi ne ayi ko kra court we are dey akura be difo and you say minister ne beba be ka say Azuma fo na wi ni ana de be ya eti the minister ne kan say Azuma mo nkonko tena se na mo nko je mu ma engineers and planners eti ebusa John Mahama why na ewi ama no dani bobio na man fo ne hwe
conflict of interest. The president knows about this, and that's why he says, I'm too old to be corrupt. I'm not going to steal your money, because he knew his relatives would steal the money for him. And that's exactly what's happening. He can go to a plush retirement because of Oyata and Gabi and everybody will look after him. Mamti and Co would all look after him. Clearly conflict of interest. The president knows about this, and that's why he says, I'm too old to be corrupt. I'm not going to steal. He can go to a plush retirement because of Oyata and Gabi and everybody will look after him. Mamti and Co would all look after him.
By the same logic, one why mo ne behwe wo ko retirement Sharafa na
Roman father.
Mira mama. Oh yeah, na reset. Oh yeah, recapture.
Precisely.
And when you Gonja Roberts said you wo to you for the ache mafias. So one to omudi. Such mafias. Oh dear way a robbery. Modern day robbery. If you are taking the natural resources of the people, that is modern day robbery. Anya we ku for the bush for there. Almost think you two minerals in we and a whole royalties. Or more Kwaku investment ko makodi ni kakra. Oh dear they also makwa ma unkrofo kranto. Oh dear who run from Kwaku. Now we are the master major fisu manage. And yes, sir. And yes, sir, the president. Eti yamo bianco tongo de see the gold ninja be my Ibrahim Mahama, engineers and planners. We also a bauxite no. Bauxite no. Me no kase aluminium deba integrated deba. Mumu sasa di watu wana ye why dia.
Expose Mahama.
Mama wanya no krefo. Na manfo no so tu Afutuo bi o se aduro bi o se de yo.
So di kan kan.
Manfo na dwene mo ha.
Sa